A wonderful good morning, YouTube. It's 7:40 a.m. I'm on my way to Pisa because I want to beat the crowd. I don't want to be there when like millions of tourists are there. Maybe I have luck, maybe not, I will see. The weather, when I started 10 minutes earlier, it was so cloudy, and now the sun is fighting its way through the clouds. To me, 17 degrees is not that much, but I'm hopeful that it's getting warmer today. Yeah, I'm going to Pisa just for the photo and maybe a bit of video. I left my luggage in the hotel because in this case then, I mean the soft luggage, it's easy to steal. In this case I can just walk around a bit when I leave it behind, which is better. Yo, and let's collect some impressions of Tuscany again. more. We need more impressions. And then, yeah, let's see what Pisa has to offer. And tomorrow I will check out from the hotel and head to Florence first, Firenze, and then later going south somewhere. I don't know, Siena, Chianti, sorry. Yeah, that's the plan. This is something you need to come to Tuscany and see with your own eyes. I know, I'm repeating myself over and over again like a broken record, but it is just so beautiful. Sorry. Willkommen in Pisa. Welcome to Pisa. We got 2 more minutes to this tower thing. And it already looks not so bad. Few more meter, 650. Look how beautiful it already looks here. So, I think we have arrived here. The place where I wanted to go. Yes, there we are. Very nice. So this is how it looks like 8 a.m. in the morning, and you can see this tree is also trying to imitate the tower. Good morning, have arrived. It's indeed not so crowded as usual, I guess. The last time I was here it was very crowded. So, yo, I'll take a look. Bike is over there, it's locked, helmet is locked over there. So, people are trying to take weird photos already. This is it. 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. You can see barely people here. Very nice. Also never forget this church here. It's also there, not just the tower. How leaning is it actually? Quite a lot. I'm not so sure if you can see this here. But actually when they built the tower they already saw that it's moving a bit to this side, so they started from here to build it to counteract the leaning. So they tried to make it a bit straight. So it's somewhere from this story. So they moved a bit to this side again. Yeah. Pisa obviously doesn't have only this tower. There's a bit more. It's pretty nice to stroll around these alleys around the tower or the old town. That's what I will do now a bit, and then head back to the motorcycle and go to the next place that I already selected on the map. I just found another sticker opportunity. I can't see it on the screen, but it's there, the traffic sign. There's so many stickers, I just put mine too. Okay, say goodbye Leaning Tower. Goodbye Pisa. Oh, look at this! Mountains in the background. So nice! Still Pisa. Pisa Central Station also looks good. And the next red traffic light. So many red traffic lights here. We have almost arrived where we want to go. It's 8 more minutes. Isn't this landscape beautiful again? I will let you know in a second where we are. It's still Tuscany, obviously, of course. Oh, all is wine and the olives over there. Grapes, not wine. Cypress trees. No, we need to go there on the right. But police lady said nope, cannot. Oh, there's a smoke. Maybe it's something burning over there, or what's going on? That would be bad. I hope all is good over there. Let's go. Huh. So yeah, it's a detour. It's quite a big detour for us now. Now maybe we can enter from the other side. Maybe it's coincidence that there's something, whatever. I don't know yet. But let's enjoy the environment and the slow uncle here in his Piaggio. Cool. And Tuscany, let's escape. Of course. PS said the detour could be shorter. So I'm trying this. I still don't know why there is a blockage. But here's not. Oh, look at these. Oh, that's where we want to go. We are in Vinci. And yes, that's the place where Leonardo da Vinci comes from. And it makes me think, was there first in Leonardo or first the town? Is it named after him, or is he actually not named Da Vinci but Leonardo, and somehow it's like Leonardo from Vinci or so? They have a museum. I will enter the museum if it's open. I have been here 2 times already. Once when I was 15, school trip. Once with my wife, the honeymoon. But we haven't visited the museum. What I want to do is now, if it's open, it's 10 AM now. It should be open, I guess. It's a very nice, cute town, worth visiting definitely. With a nice view, if I remember correctly. So that's the old town. Over there is the museum on top. I'll go there soon, once I got the parking space slot. Did I say old town? I think Vinci itself is the old town. The entire town here. Oh, there's a bicycle event. Now I get it. Ich glaube, hier kann ich parken. So I arrived here in this town. It's somewhere on top of this. The museum is not open yet. It's opening a bit later. I haven't checked the time, but there are so many tourists waiting for the opening. I'm not so sure if I really want to enter or not, because there are really so many. Yeah, well, it's a Sunday, so maybe not much of a surprise. I should have known that, but it's Sunday 10 AM, so why don't they sleep now? But look at the view. The view is amazing. There it is, the famous Da Vinci thing. At the museum, very impressive. I already watched downstairs. Good guy, this Leonardo. But it's already worth to pay the price for this view up here. Beautiful Tuscany, beautiful. The ticket, by the way, costs €10 per person, or they have a family price, I think €36. Probably okay. I think it's okay. €10 is totally fine for this. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. It consists of 3 pieces. I don't know if I have time for all this, because I want to see more on the motorbike. Up and down, no elevator. I'm having my dinner. Is it dinner? 11 AM here in this restaurant in Vinci. I ordered bruschetta. I'm actually not hungry, but I don't want to eat at night so late, so I'm trying to move my food for dinner time. No, it's lunch. Maybe I'm hungry. Lunch. I don't want to have dinner, I want to have lunch. That's the point. So yeah. Ordered bruschetta and water. Let's see how this is. They call it the original Classico. Tastes as good as it looks like. I'm very confident, very, very confident. We are done in Vinci. I had a really good bruschetta was very tasty. And now we are heading kind of back to the hotel. It's 12:30 almost, but we do this with detours. The hotel reception lady told me to go to 3 different other locations, which we will do. I forgot the name of all of them, but my GPS knows, and yeah, we just follow wherever it thinks we should go. But yeah, Vinci is definitely worth visiting. This museum, I skipped the last part, also worth visiting. 10 euro is totally fine for that. Leonardo was, yeah, not just a painter, he also had like plenty of inventions. Probably more than what the common sense knows, let's say this way. Yeah, impressive, very impressive, this guy. Not bad at all. So yeah, if you are nearby Tuscany, Pisa, then just go to Vinci and visit this museum. Highly recommend it. This is so nice to see. The hills of the Tuscany with the olive trees and grapes. And the cypress trees here. Wow, that's the view. Oh my. Now I selected in my GPS, no unpaved roads. And that's what's not unpaved road looks like. After yesterday's disaster, I think I need some time to digest this issue before I can go off-road again. But yeah, this is what we got here. It's not so bad. Don't know what's coming, we will see. As long as it's not getting worse than this, I'm fine. Whee. Oh, okay, safe. Oh, the safe tarmac. Oy. But it's beautiful here. Oh, look at that. Wow. So this is one of the towns that, oh, the reception lady from my hotel recommended. Oh. Okay. Name of this is Palaya. Okay, it looks very Italian. Oh, not bad, not bad. So here we got the next piece of no unpaved roads. Oh, what's going on with my GPS, huh? I mean, it's not bad. Can certainly use this, but it's not what I wanted. So please, Mr. Kurviger, fix that. Maybe Mr. Google would have led me the same way. I mean, Googled it worse already with us. Keyword geography. Desert, Spain, episode number 9. Yeah, if you missed it, then please watch it. What Google did to us, Google Maps, to be precise. Oh, this looks so good. Yeah.